juicy. Delicious, delicious. So amazing. So guys, hi guys, so I'm gonna make some amazing roast them in the oven. It's so easy when it's so chilly at the moment. You need that really sweet crisp pineapple. You don't want to have pineapple, maybe juice, so it's easy for me to make these roast pineapples for my family because they love it because it's so super sweet. So you have a very ripe pineapple like this one. So what I do to cut is I hold it like this and then I cut from top to bottom. Grilled pineapple is so sweet as your starter, as you know, something to give you that that taste that you want to have before you have your food, and it's just an amazing starter for you, and I love it for my kids. And you just 3 ingredients to make this grilled pineapple. You just need cinnamon, you just need a bit of butter, you have some brown sugar you can use, you have honey you can use, and then that's it. You just brush it on top of your pineapple, then you lay it on your baking tin or baking pan, and then that's it. Look at that, our pineapple is done. So what I like to do is slice like this. Slice them like that. This one is so amazing. Look at it. It's a big pineapple, so ripe and very juicy. Delicious. You have to be a pineapple lover like me. Even when it's cold, you can use your pineapple because you can just grill it in your oven. And that's it, you're good to go. So with just 3 ingredients, you need your pineapple. I have some butter, some sugar, brown sugar and cinnamon. So what I normally do with this mixture, I just mix it like this, and this is what you're going to use to smear on your pineapple. Make it so sweet, and the cinnamon, that aroma is so good. So gonna smear on both sides of your pineapple like this. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Warm it a bit in the microwave just to make it soft, and then you can be able to pour. Then you can line your pineapple on your baking tray like that. You smear on both sides like that, just to give it that kick, that flavor. Look at that, very easy, an easy snack for you, for your family to love. Use what you have in your kitchen to make delicious meals. So you're gonna put this like this on all of them. So amazing. This can feed even 7 people. Now put on top. Look at this. So we're going to put this in the oven, and each side we're gonna do 3 minutes. 3 minutes each side for 80 degrees in your oven. Here we go. Grilled pineapple is so sweet as your starter, as you know, something to give you that that taste that you want to have before you have your food, and it's just an amazing starter for you, and I love it for my kids. So we've done it 3 minutes, so we're gonna turn this on the other side for another 2 minutes, another 3 minutes on the other side. So we're gonna turn this. See the bread on one side. So we're gonna put them back for another 3 minutes. There you go. So don't say I didn't show you a very awesome dessert. After that amazing dinner with your lover, you can have this, make this awesome dessert. It's so sweet. Roasted pineapple is so easy and it's so fresh and has that sweet taste. I love it. So let's check our dessert, our roasted pineapples. Let's see. Oh voila, look at that, so freshly done, so good, amazing. Look at that, look at that, so good. So you're gonna turn. So what I like to do is to get this roastness. So what you do is sprinkle some sugar. So you're gonna turn this and then sprinkle some sugar on top.